Dear faculty members, I am sharing the application that can convert SLO into course outcome attainment. So first I give an introduction. What are the documents to be uploaded? CAT 1 question paper, CAT 2, FAT and recats if any. It should be collected from Code Tantra, not from any other sources. It should be in PDF format. Then SLO from VTOP, mark entry and mark report. Likewise, theory assessment sheet, lab assessment sheet and J component. These all can be collected as an Excel sheet downloaded from VTOP. The order of uploading should be like this. It should be in the same order, preferably CAT 1, CAT 2, FAT followed by recats if any, question papers, then SLO report, comma separated entries that I will be telling now, theory internal marks, lab internal marks if any. If there are 2 or 4 lab slots associated, we can upload all of them one after another, and J component. Then finally click on course outcome button. The comma separated entries will be like this, and this is for DA and quiz. They are separated by a semicolon. The first one is a quiz, second one DA, third one another DA with question number, CO and maximum mark. And comma separated entry for lab component look like this. So these are all 6 components for 6 assessments, each carrying 10, 10, 10 marks. Then this is the comma separated entry for J component. Let me launch the application. It will be made as a standalone one so that it can run independently in Windows, also can be done for Ubuntu. So I'll upload for one course. So first I'll do CAT 1, then CAT 2, FAT followed by recat 2. I know that only recat 2 for this course. Then SLO, then the comma separated entries. So I just copy and paste. I know that there are 2 DAs and 1 quiz, so I'm giving like this. I paste it right here. And I'm going to input the lab one. I know that there are only 5 assessments. For the last 2, 15 marks. So total marks should be 60, otherwise it will prompt the user that entry is wrong. I copy this and paste it here, enter. So only once we can do the entry here, then it will be disabled. So we have to ensure that it is properly entered. Then we have to upload theory internals, then lab assessment. I know that there is only one lab assessment, so I'll upload that here. I forgot that there is a J component also here, so I should have entered that here. Then I must have entered the J component Excel sheet, assessment sheet here. So it will give the outcome attainment for all the theory, lab and J components. So just click on course outcome. It will give the bar chart. We need not do save or anything. Then it will generate a LaTeX file. So that will be written in the working folder. So the working folder is, in my case, this one. So this is the file, co_att.txt. It is a text file. Open that, say reload. Already there was a content, now it should be reloaded because it is writing to this file. So I say reload. say Control A, Control C, means I am copying that. Open any LaTeX editor. It may be Text Studio, TextWorks, TextMaker, or any online editor like Overleaf. I use a Text Studio and I copy that over here and I run this. So it will generate the file. Okay, let me open the PDF now. So this is the PDF. So it is giving the result only in 2 minutes if all the data are entered properly. What we have been doing before for 3 hours or 4 hours is now can be ready in only 2-3 minutes. So these are the front page matters: CAT1, CAT2, FAT, and assignment and quizzes. Like in the order I have given the course outcome, and laboratory I have given 5 assessments, 10, 10, 10, 15, 15 marks. And here is the CAT1. And if there are 3 questions out of 4, it will take the best 3 and compute CO for that. And here is the outcome percentage. And CAT2, FAT here. So there are 7 questions, but it will take only 6, best 6. For example, here is a 0. That will not be taken into account. The best 6 will be used for calculating the outcome. Likewise, if there is any recat, CAT marks will be replaced by recat and that will be taken. And assignment and quizzes and laboratory component. Here is the final table and bar chart. So it will calculate the course outcome attainment and it will sketch it like this. Okay, this is one example, and let me illustrate with one more example that is having 4 lab slots per one theory course. So this session can be used only once, so I'll close it and open it again. I'll do it for another course now. It has 2 recats, so I'm uploading all of them. Then SLO report. We need to ensure proper data is given. Then I am giving the comma separated entries. Then for lab, and this lab has got 6 assessments. I know this information from the Excel sheet, so it should be entered like this. Paste it here, enter. I'll upload a theory internals, followed by 4 lab slot Excel sheets. If there is any duplicate in the entry, it will remove them automatically. It will keep only the unique items. So I have given all the data. Now I click on course outcome. I wait for a second and then I go back to my folder. Like I already said, this is the folder, this is the file. Open the file. We need to allow it to be rewritten, so I am reloading it. So this is the new one. Control A, Control C. Anything you want to edit, you can edit in the LaTeX editor. If there is no LaTeX editor available with us, we can go to Overleaf. Overleaf is an online LaTeX editor, so we can use that also. So I delete this. Sorry, I have to paste it again. I missed out, so copy it again and I am pasting it. Run it. So it has generated the file within 2 minutes. Then I open the PDF here. We can see the new entry. There are 6 assessments here. It's a modified one now. And wherever is absent is that will be replaced by a very small number, something around 10 power minus 32. So contribution of that in the computation is very minimum. And this is the final table. I'll soon share this one as an exe file which can run independently. And I have tested it with only 2-3 data sets. If there is any malfunctioning, kindly let me know. And at this moment I thank our Dean Sir, Dr. Prakasam, for giving all the supports. I also thank Dr. Sankar Ganesh for assisting me with the meeting in SDC team. I thank Dr. Sumati and Dr. Srihari Priya for giving the data. I thank you all for your patience, listening and support. Thank you.